Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kimchi Halal. First, it's crucial to understand the core principles of halal food preparation. This means carefully identifying and avoiding any ingredients that are not permissible. Always ensure you source all your components from trusted, certified halal suppliers to guarantee compliance from the start. The most significant change involves replacing traditional fish sauce. Look for a certified halal fish sauce, or use a blend of soy sauce and miso paste for a similar umami depth. Additionally, confirm that your gochugaru, or chili flakes, and any other spices are free from non-halal additives, ensuring every element meets halal standards. Next, focus on your preparation environment. Ensure all your kitchen tools, cutting boards, and surfaces are meticulously cleaned and free from any non-halal residues. When mixing your ingredients, handle them with care to avoid cross-contamination. Finally, ferment your kimchi in a clean, dedicated container, allowing it to develop its flavors safely. Once your halal kimchi is ready, proper storage is key to enjoying its fresh taste. Transfer it into clean, airtight jars and refrigerate immediately to slow down the fermentation process. This ensures your kimchi stays delicious and safe to eat for an extended period. Now, you can confidently enjoy your homemade, halal-certified kimchi with any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.